Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here, and I couldn't help myself. New Frankensaber promotion, and we got a new mystery box order. So let's get started. All right, on this order, I ordered 10 mystery boxes with 32-inch blades and 4 with 32-inch blades, so 10 with 36-inch blades, 4 mystery boxes with 32-inch blades, and then I ordered a Reaper. We're starting out with what looks like an Aeon LE V2. Got an AV switch in Arctic Blue. Alright, starting off with a good color. As y'all know, Arctic Blue is one of my favorite colors. Alright, this is going to be my free initiate because it has a 24-inch blade on it. So, if you've watched my other Frankensaber videos, you've heard me talk about it, but for those of you who might be new, the Frankensaber promotion, this one is the same as the previous one, where the more you order, the more you get for free. And I should be getting a free initiate, which this is it. A free grab bag, a free mystery box, and a free Frankensaber. So this is going to be an initiate LE V4 with AV switch and consular green. Wow. Oh, correction. This is an apprentice. This is not an initiate. This is going to be an apprentice. This is actually my first free apprentice. All of the free initiates I've gotten before, initiate size, has been an actual initiate model. This is an apprentice LE V4, and it's the first of those, and I like it. You've heard me say it before, I don't have to repeat myself, but great grip, great choke points. All right. All right, next up, I like the individual bubble wrap much better. Not only does it kind of hide a little better what's inside so that you don't automatically know what you're going to get, although you mostly do, but also it keeps them better protected. Alright, we've got a Aeon LE V4 AV switch and Guardian Blue. Alright, got another Aeon V4 with AV switch. So far all AV switches, and we've got another consular green. Outstanding. Alright. Alright. Got a first Sentinel of the haul. This is a dark Sentinel LE V4. I really like these. One of my favorite of the basics. I like the dark LE coloration. I like this grip area, double choke points, and blazing red. Well, that matches that saber well. That looks good. All right. This one is exciting. Wow, this is my first Aeon V5. Now, I don't know if you are picking that up. I'm gonna see if I can clean that up later. It's got some kind of spots on it, but I gotta say I like this saber. I like this grip section a little bit. So we've got horizontal grooves here, and then they've cut in each one vertical grooves to give it a bit of a grenade style grip. Double choke point, well, really just one, because this one has got a claw, which is I've heard is removable, but like I said, this is my first one of these. I like it, except for these spots. I don't know what that is. Alright, we'll take a look at it later. Fire orange. Emitter section. I like it a lot. I like that claw. Alright, we'll see if we can't clean that up a little bit later. I'll do a more in-depth review and we'll see if this comes off. Alright, last two in this box. I just randomly picked a box. This looks like I picked up the second box. Well, this is going to be, you can tell, but I'll wait till I get the bubble wrap clear. Just say it. For anyone who doesn't know, wants to wait. This is the Reaper. Alright, it came without a blade because this thing is ginormous. I think claw to claw it's about 20 inches to 21 inches. And I don't like it. So I chose this one because of the uniqueness of it. But I thought this hilt would go with just about anything from here to here. Any style emitter that I wanted. And you can't order this emitter or this pommel by itself. So I thought that would be a good reason to order this one, because A, it would look good with any pommel or emitter, and because I can't get these any other way. And I really, really like the look of that. My first Frankensaber it was about half Reaper, and I really, really like the design. So, oh, that's interesting. So, without further ado, I got this in violet amethyst. This is my first blade in the violet amethyst. I hadn't gotten one. Thought this would be a great saber to test it out. I've got a lot of blazing reds. This is kind of in between. I like it a lot. Alright, I'll do a full review on the Reaper to come. Got a cover tech switch, AV switch. These emitter windows are huge. Love them. The blades are great. Really, really Nice hilt. I'm really happy with that overall. So I chose to get stunt on purpose because I'm wanting to upgrade some sabers. So I've got some parts from the custom saber shop, and I'm going to be putting some sound myself. I've got some CFX sound cards, and I'm gonna try my hand at doing some upgrades. So why not start with this one? I've got an RGB LED I'm gonna put in it and see how that goes. Now, so I've got 19 sabers between 2 boxes. I ordered 15, I'm getting 4 for free. 14 mystery boxes, one of these, and then the 4 free that I mentioned earlier. And I normally open the Frankensaber last, but it's in this box, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And I got a sneak preview, and I'm really excited. I gotta tell you, I was really looking for a Frankensaber that I didn't want to keep. I've seen a lot of Frankensaber videos out there, great videos, and I've seen a lot that if I would have gotten those Frankensabers, it wouldn't hurt my feelings at all to not keep it. But my 2 Frankensabers I got previously, I really liked, and I will link those videos in the description for anyone who wants to see it. And I was really kind of counting on not keeping this one. I am quickly getting a ginormous collection, and I really have got to get rid of the non-essentials, if you know what I mean. So I was counting on not keeping this, but just looking at this through the shrink wrap, I don't know if that's gonna happen. We'll see. All right, here's Frank number 3. It is a crossguard hilt, and I'm really stoked. The gold is not my favorite color. I don't hate it, but I probably wouldn't choose it. But this is more of a brass color. This is brass, and it looks great. It's not kind of your shiny gold that's more typical, and I am really liking it. So let's see here. First crossguard saber. We've got tape over there. That's to keep the LED in. Man, this looks great. Looks like these are going to be emitter windows all the way around. I'm stoked, guys. This looks great. You know, the custom saber shop cross hilt adapter just became available, and I was just about to buy it. But with the TCCS version, this main one is MHS1 compatible, and the cross guards it's MHS2, and I was having trouble finding MHS2 and MHS1 compatible that looked alike, that were both that were in stock, if that makes sense. I don't know if I said that where it made sense, but I was having trouble finding matching MHS1 and MHS2 because I wanted them to match. And wow, these are huge. I can tell I'm going to cut that down to 4 inches. Denise Gill in one of her videos was talking about how long her flambers blades on the cross sides were, and that she cut them down to 4 inches, and that sounds like good advice. I think I'm gonna follow it. Thank you, Denise. If you haven't seen her videos, check them out. They're good. All right. Wow. All right. So just a quick overview. I'm gonna have to do some research on this. Got a vented pommel, gold CoverTech wheel. So I don't even know what that piece is. Probably just something to extend it. Looks good. This brass anodizing looks great. This is the back side. This looks like the gold button. Man, that's got some scuffs on it. Gold button on the, well, we'll get into it. All right, let's see what color this thing is. Oh, it doesn't match. I kind of like it. Wow, that consular green on the side blades is really bright because of how short the blade is. Looks great. Guardian blue. Here, that thing, look at it. It's huge. It's awesome. I like it. Yes, it's gonna be difficult to cut some of these down. I don't know about y'all, but that was an exciting box. I liked it. That's gonna do it for this video. That was box 1 of 2. Stay tuned for unboxing of the 2 of 2. If you haven't subscribed, we appreciate it if you did. Thank you so much for watching.